You can't sort a contact file. You can't filter it, or remove duplicates. A VCF just isn't built for that. Excel is. So let's get your contacts in. Once they're in rows and columns, everything opens up. Deduplicate 800 contacts in seconds. Filter by company. Sort by last name. Build a pivot table, or labels for a mailing. And when you're switching systems, Excel is where you clean the data in between. There are 4 ways to get there. 1. Google Contacts. Free, and the simple. Import your VCF, export CSV, open in Excel. 2. A desktop converter. Best for big or private files. 3. Power Query, right inside Excel. 4. A Python script, for automation. That third one deserves a closer look. Power Query is built into Excel already. Data. Get data from text, then pick your VCF. It loads every line, and you reshape it into columns. No install, and nothing leaves your computer. Great for simple files, if you're comfortable in Excel. So which one fits you? Quick, small, nothing sensitive. Google. Thousands of contacts, or private data. A desktop converter. Already live in spreadsheets. Power Query. Match it to your comfort and your file. One trap catches almost everyone. Long phone numbers turn into 4.4e plus 11. Excel treats them as maths, not text. Format that column as text before you import. Do it after, and the leading zeros are gone for good. So set it first. Excel is where contacts stop being a file and start being data you can actually work with. Pick your path and get them in. Follow Univik, where technology meets trust.